is Coding Academy. Coding Academy is a platform in which you can learn coding with the help of top instructors for free. Our aim is to make coding more relevant, equitable, and inclusive for everyone. Coding Academy ensures inclusive and equitable quality education and promotes lifelong learning opportunities for all. How to take the best out of our videos. In this video, we will be exploring how to get the most out of our videos. These skills can enable us to thrive as individuals and within our society, and help in fostering a healthy environment for all. Before going deep into this video, I want all of you to keep in mind some points. We aim for progress, not perfection. Make small, seemingly insignificant changes in your life to move gradually in a more productive direction. Many things in life can appear challenging, but do not feel discouraged if one does not achieve quick results. Measure your progress over months and years. Remind yourself that all these topics are meant to be practiced consistently over time, and lasting change often comes slowly. Our videos are structured in a way that students can watch the short videos and take their time to practice. I encourage you to think critically about the topics, try everything with an open mind, and don't forget to practice, practice, and practice, because practice is what makes it perfect. Take your time to practice and reflect upon each topic. Remember that whatever you write is for your own benefit.